Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on circle to search function in Samsung Galaxy A55. This option is turned on by default, but if it's not and we want it to be, we need to go to settings. Then in display options we have our where it is navigation or navigation bar menu. And here is our circle to search function. So what does it do? Touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. So when we turn on this function, when we tap and hold, as you can see, we have our function on. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.